Welcome back, everyone. If you've ever wished your Confluence pages could stretch all the way across your screen, giving your content a sleek, spacious feel, then this tutorial is for you. Today, I'm walking you through exactly how to make a Confluence page full width in 2025. By the end, you'll know not just how to toggle full width for a single page, but also how to set it as your personal or even company-wide default if you want. Let's dive in and get your workspace looking exactly how you like it. The first and most common way to adjust page width is during the creation or editing of a page, so let's start there. Open up any Confluence page and click the Edit button. It's usually sitting right at the top, or for a little shortcut, just press the letter E on your keyboard. This pops you into edit mode where all the magic happens. Now look toward the top of the page, just near your page's title or maybe by the breadcrumb trail. There, you should spot an icon that looks like two horizontal arrows pointing away from each other. That's the Make Page Full Width button. Clicking this button instantly expands your content so it stretches from edge to edge of your screen. It's a simple toggle. If you click it again, it'll pop right back to the standard, more centered column width. I find this particularly helpful if you need a broad canvas for things like large tables, wide diagrams, or dense documentation where every pixel counts. Don't forget, though, once you've made your adjustments and you like how it looks, you need to click Publish. That saves your changes and ensures everyone who visits your page gets the full width view you set. Take a look at the full width before publishing just to make sure it fits your content. You don't want text stretching too much and harming readability. And if you ever want to revert, it's just a quick toggle away. Maybe, though, you want every new page you create to start out full width, no more toggling each time. You can do that too right from your user settings. At the top right of Confluence, click your profile picture, then Settings. When your Settings panel opens, look for the section called Editor under your settings. Click Edit and here, the key, check that box labeled Enable Full Width as the default for new pages. Hit Submit, and from now on, any fresh page you spin up will already be set to full width. No more repetitive clicks. This is a lifesaver if you're someone who prefers working with wider layouts, maybe for better capturing content during workshops or including expansive visuals. Now, what if you're an administrator and you want your whole Confluence site to have full width by default for everyone? That's possible too. Head into your Confluence settings, the gear icon takes you there, then go to Further Configuration. There will be an option to edit site defaults. Just find the checkbox for Editor Full Width. Turn it on, click Save, and that's it. All new pages created across the site will default to the full width layout. It's perfect for organizations wanting a consistent, modern look across all their Confluence spaces and saves everyone from having to adjust manually. So whether you just need extra space for a single project page or you want every new document to start wide open, Confluence in 2025 makes it easy. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to tap that like button. And if you have any questions or run into anything odd, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help out. Make sure to subscribe for more practical tips just like this, and I'll catch you in the next tutorial. Happy organizing!